Morning is my favorite time of day. I open the workshop. I enjoy the ritual of making coffee. And lately I watch the rain. Some of our potatoes have sprouted and some should be cooked. Even though these are not officially seed potatoes, I cut the tubers into pieces with 2 or 3 eyes apiece. I place those pieces into the compost bowl for later planting. Even in the rain, I enjoy the act of digging and planting and hoping for a little crop. I'm hungry now, and it's time to cook the rest of the potatoes. They are good with onions, nearly caramelized in the iron skillet. I use olive oil, ground pepper, and sea salt. Fresh rosemary and sage are good spices. Soon it will be time to eat.